Hello. Now I am showing my recent project, and this is the project for my university graduation. And let's see. First of all, I search the gem. This project actually is the Apache server. I am starting test Apache server. Then I go to the localhost public project. This is built with the PHP framework called Laravel, and it is Laravel latest version 5.6. So that's why this is the project name. If I go to the my Explorer folder, this is the htdocs folder, and this is the project. There is some other project, but this is the my main project name. That's why I this is the URL, and this is the public because of the folder structure of the Laravel. Here is the folder resource, and if I go to the server.php, or here is the index file they are allowed. That's why I am uh, it is here in public. Okay, let's do it. There is a image, and there is a three link: login page, main site, and in my documentation. That's why I draw a flowchart for it, and the flowchart is main page, main site, login page, register page. It's called. So if I click on this, then it will go to the root. Okay. Okay, and if I go to the login page, then I can log in, but here I can register first. The first MD, there is a name. If I pick an email address and register, it will be registered. But there they call the validation. The validation is fired up, and they're showing some error message. Okay, and if you fill the correct data, then you will it will allow to register. But now for this register, I want to log in for proceed. Okay. Oh, there is a another error message validation, and this is the for I have entered the wrong password. Okay, if you want to new password, then you can click on forget password, and an email will send to the link, uh, uh, and link will send to reset the password. Then you will proceed. But I want to go forward without showing this. But if you want, you can. I will show you later. Okay. Now, put the right password, and remember me. It will also a flag, and login. Yes, this is the login page, and this is a classroom. That's why it is showing. If you want to create a class, okay, you can create. Okay, I am creating a class called KFC section C, and subject is CSC115, and submit. So this is the class C. Okay, and this is the dashboard. This is showing, and if there is a folder for the expecting that when you call this will redirect to your Google Drive or other uploaded section. Okay, now you can join class. Okay, if you want to join the then you can, and this is the invalid session, and there's nothing in the session database. Okay, I will show my database later, and if you have a valid session, then you can join the session. Okay, and this is the class. This is the expected join class. Okay, okay. This information comes from the database also, and this information also. And if you want to change this. If you want to change this event, you can click it and then you can change the image. And you also, there is a YouTube link for this for this resource. There is actually, you can access the video and then some text file for this. And this is the student post also. Here it is a developing part and it is not finished yet. Okay, and there is some sidebar. This will the scope for the further development, and there is some link like the Google Classroom, and you can log out from this. Okay, and this is actually the last feature, and I have also some feature. If I want to go back class B. Okay, here is the show the actually the created uh, person. If you are not the creator, then you will not be show this link or something like that. So there is a gradation also. Then I can log out. There is some feature I want to show, but not yet. Some feature, and these details you can show in the uh, my report, and that's all. And I will also give you the link of project for the GitHub. Thank you. Okay, now I want to show the database for this project. This is the local host. Dashboard PHP admin. I am using the PHP admin. Okay, but it is the port is busy, that's why it is called, and I am using the MySQL workbench, and this is my the database Laravel 2 Laravel 1, and this is the table migration users, and this is the users. Okay, and I think Laravel 2 is tables, not the migration. Okay, this is my the passport is my table for the, if I want this query on the query, then you can show this data. And if I want to see the user, then you can show this. Okay, there is a lot of column. I do not want to see this, and this is my the database. There is a password. This is also, this is a small database. When the project will be grow and large, the database will be large. Thank you.